Hi there. Many people only use ChatGPT for writing content such as blogs, ad copy, product descriptions, etc. But there's so much more to it. In this video, I'll show you 10 different ways to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT and get more value from it. You can use it as a grammar and spell checker, create drip email sequences, generate catchy YouTube titles, brainstorm names for your business or project, and much more. Also, I'll be using a free version of ChatGPT for this video. Alright, let's dive in. The first way you can use ChatGPT is for writing emails. For example, here's a prompt that I used to write an email from scratch to welcome new newsletter subscribers. I want to write a welcome email with a catchy subject for those who subscribe to our AI newsletter. Our AI newsletter is all about the latest AI tools and news, which we deliver straight into the subscribers' inbox. We research and share 5 latest AI tools, recent AI news, and in-depth AI tutorial videos to enhance your productivity and grow your business. And the AI has completed the email with amazing results. I'm thoroughly impressed with its tone, verbiage, and structure. In fact, I'm so pleased with the outcome that I've decided to use it as my newsletter for new subscribers. If you're curious to see for yourself, feel free to subscribe to our AI newsletter. Please excuse the shameless plug, but I will leave the link to join the newsletter in the description for your convenience. Okay, number 2. Using ChatGPT to rewrite any text for better clarity as well as grammar and spell check. Okay, let's suppose I'm writing an email to request to postpone a job interview because I'm not well. So this is a quick and dirty prompt of what I wrote. I'm requesting to reschedule my interview. Unfortunately, I have contracted a bacterial infection that led to acute tonsils in my throat, and I will take 1 week to recover. The doctor has recommended that I don't talk much for 1 week. I'm happy to take an interview at any time after 1 week. Now, if you notice, there are some red lines which signal that this is either a grammatical error or spelling is incorrect. In either case, you don't have to worry about it because ChatGPT will fix all that. Just copy and paste this text into ChatGPT and add rewrite in front of it and hit enter. The AI is now generating the response and it's fabulous. Now compare that to the before and after version and you can see why ChatGPT is so amazing. It not only corrects the spelling and grammar, but also understands the context of what's going on and then expands on it meaningfully. Also, if you think the tone is too formal, you can prompt ChatGPT to rewrite the text in a casual tone, giving you a more relaxed response. You can also generate responses in other tones as well. Number 3, you can use ChatGPT to ask for business advice as well. I have a YouTube channel and a website called FlipBytes and I want to grow my brand. So let's ask ChatGPT for some business advice. Here is my prompt. I have a YouTube channel called FlipBytes where I cover the latest topics on using AI for business growth. In addition, I have a website called flipbytes.com, which is a comprehensive directory of over 1,000 plus AI tools, and we add new tools every day. You can easily search and filter tools, view details and videos of each tool, and even add them to your favorites for easy access later on. Additionally, we have a free weekly AI newsletter. It's packed with the latest happenings in the AI space, featuring amazing new AI tools, the latest AI news, and in-depth AI video tutorials. Using all the above information, can you please advise me how I can grow my brand so I can get more YouTube subscribers, website visitors, and newsletter subscribers? Please answer in bullet points and be as detailed as possible. And the AI gets to work, and the output is awesome. I like how it has structured the advice in 3 main categories and the bullet points under them, so it's easy to follow. As for the recommendations, it's pretty sound. Optimize your YouTube channel, collaborate with influencers, promote your YouTube channel on other platforms, and so on. There are some good points here for increasing newsletter subscribers as well. Let's prompt it for some more points to increase newsletter subscribers. Okay, can you give me some additional pointers on increasing my newsletter subscribers? And there you have it. There's some great advice here. Create a compelling opt-in form, offer a lead magnet, use pop-up or slide-in forms. This is amazing. Actually, within 5 minutes, I have some great action items to grow our YouTube channel as well as subscriber base, which I'm going to do. Also, I'll add all these responses in a Google Doc and leave the link in the description so you can go through it. Number 4, you can use ChatGPT to summarize any article from the web. This is another great way to use ChatGPT and save time. Let's suppose you're reading an article on the web. It's a long article and you quickly need the gist of it. All you need to do is copy the article, then go to ChatGPT and type summary and then paste the article and hit enter. And ChatGPT summarized the whole article in under 10 seconds. It's that simple. So you can get the gist of any article quickly just using ChatGPT. Number 5. Using ChatGPT to write drip email sequences. I have a full video on YouTube explaining drip emails and how to use them in case you're interested. Okay, for this video, I will show you a prompt I used to generate 3 drip emails. Here's the prompt I used. I have a photography website and I want to write a drip email sequence with 3 emails to convince photographers to join our website. Once they join the website, we will do all the marketing to get them the customers, and they only pay us a nominal 20% commission when they get a booking via our platform. Now this is the prompt, and the AI gets to work. And as you can see, the AI has generated 3 emails with subject lines in seconds. The emails are informational and relevant to the topic. And the best part is that they are just not sales emails. It's a nice mix of sales offer, testimonials, and a discount offer to create that urgency. With some light edits, I can add this email to the automation system and my email campaign is ready to go. On a side note, I hope you're getting some value out of this video, and if you are, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Also, check the description for links to all the websites and resources I've spoken about. Okay, back to the video. Alright, number 6, using ChatGPT to write optimized YouTube titles based on what's performing. Okay, so for my next YouTube video, I want to compare GPT-3 versus GPT-4. So let's see on YouTube what titles rank for GPT-3 versus GPT-4. Okay, so now let me copy the first 13 titles into a notepad so I can use this later into my prompt, my ChatGPT prompt, to generate titles similar to these for my next video. So my ChatGPT prompt will be something like this. I will paste all the titles and then write, I want to make a video on GPT-3 versus GPT-4. The above list is of the most popular titles for the term GPT-3 versus GPT-4. Based on the above list, please suggest 10 titles that are likely to do well for this topic on my YouTube channel. Okay. And the AI gets to work and has generated some good ideas. I feel that some of these titles are too long, so I'm going to prompt ChatGPT again. Can you give me 10 more topics but keep them under 50 characters? Okay, and now we have some good options. I like ChatGPT 3 versus ChatGPT 4, the battle of the titans. Even this one is good. The difference between GPT 3.5 and 4, an in-depth comparison. There are some great title ideas here. Number 7, using ChatGPT to write a blog outline and then expand on those points to complete the blog. Okay, so I've made a full step-by-step video on how to do this, but I will quickly cover it here and leave the link to the full video in the description. Here's the prompt I used. Write me an outline for a 1500-word blog for product photography in Singapore. And the AI generated a great outline for the blog. Once you have the outline, you can prompt ChatGPT to expand on every point. So for example, you can prompt, write the introduction in 2 paragraphs, optimized for keyword product photography in Singapore. And the ChatGPT will expand on the introductions. Similarly, you can prompt it to expand on every topic in the blog outline, and your 1500-word long-form article fully optimized for SEO with your keyword will be completed in no time. Number 8, using ChatGPT to summarize a book. I used it to summarize 4-Day Workweek by Tim Ferriss. It's another excellent use of ChatGPT. You can use it to summarize an entire book in a few seconds to get the gist of what the author is talking about. You can then decide if you want to spend the time and money to buy the book and read it. Here's the prompt I used. Can you summarize the 4-Day Workweek by Tim Ferriss in bullet points? And the AI generates 10 points as a summary. I have read the book and the summation is apt. Also, you don't have to stop there. If you want details on any point, prompt ChatGPT again to get more details. So from the initial bullet point, I wanted ChatGPT to expand on the 4th bullet point. So I wrote a prompt. Can you go in depth on this point from the book? The book emphasizes the importance of automation and outsourcing to streamline work processes and reduce time spent on mundane, low-value tasks. And as you can see, ChatGPT delves deeper into the point of automation and outsourcing as explained in the book by the author. Atomic Habits is another great book. Here's a summary. So generally, a book can take days to read. So this is a great way to get the gist of the book quickly and decide if you want to spend the time and money to buy and read the entire book. Okay, number 9, using ChatGPT to generate business names. This is another great way to use ChatGPT, and I have an entire step-by-step video on this topic. Also, the names suggested by ChatGPT were awesome. I found a name in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so this was my initial prompt. I want to open a print-on-demand business for t-shirts, mugs, face masks, hoodies, etc. My primary market is going to be creating products for entrepreneurs. Can you suggest some catchy 1 to 2 letter shop name? And the AI suggested some names. And since the business was for merchandise, I prompted ChatGPT for some more names with either gear or merch in them as words. And the AI suggested some names. I finally settled for a name that I really liked, Gear for Grit. I then prompted ChatGPT to generate some slogans based on the business name. Here's the prompt. I want some quirky tagline related to business, entrepreneurship, grit, etc. Here's an example. Do epic shit. And the AI generated some awesome slogans. The two I really liked were build your legacy and the future is yours to create. So in less than 15 minutes, I have a great business name and a slogan to go with it. Number 10, using ChatGPT to write your social media bio. So for this demo, I will use ChatGPT to write a catchy Twitter bio. Here's the prompt I used. Please write a catchy Twitter bio. It should be less than 160 characters. I'm building flipbytes.com, an AI tools directory with 1000 plus AI tools. For AI video tutorials, check out my YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/@flipbytes. Also follow and subscribe to my newsletter for the latest in AI tools, news, and insights. Okay, now this is the prompt and let's put that into ChatGPT and see what it comes up with. And ChatGPT generated a Twitter bio. Well, there's just one, so let's prompt for some more examples. Okay, wow, they all look very good. I mixed and matched and got one that is just right. So you can check it out at twitter.com/@SandeepKayastha. I'll leave the link in the description as well. And while you're at there, do give me a follow. Sorry again for the shameless plug. And there you have it, 10 ways to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT. But I believe that there are even more possibilities to explore with ChatGPT, and this list is by no means exhaustive. If you've used ChatGPT and other ways not mentioned here, please share in the comments so others can benefit from your experience. Also, before you go, I highly recommend you check out these videos that are guaranteed to supercharge your business growth. I can't wait to see you in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.